So hello, good day. So another day, another video, another ganap. So in my recent video na in-upload is this is the reason kung bakit umuwi ako agad galing ng Mindanao, and ito ang ganap gender reveal and birthday ng kasama si Merk and si Rain, pa gender reveal party. So nakita nyo naman nakapangbahay pa talaga ako kasi wala ako talaga sa plano. Yes, and medyo check love, hindi medyo wala pa ako sa mood, but we have to try our best to make this up, of course, because this is another celebration and birthday, of course, and syempre para malaman na rin ang gender ni baby, because this baby is our first baby in your e-stop shop. So as you can see, medyo madami kami dyan. So ayun na, nag-blow na sila ng candle. Oh my god. So ayun na, Merk and Rain, happy birthday. And of course, ayun na, magiging magulang na kayo. Lahat ng bilin ko rin, sana tandaan mong mabuti, i-apply mo yan. And sa'yo, Merk, yun, tatay ka na, and sana yun lang, mag-grow kayong pareho, and marami pa ako mga bilin, and hindi ko na uulit-ulitin yun dahil alam ko naman ng mga matured kayo. Yes. And ano pa ba yung mga message ko? Ang lagi kong bilin sa inyo, diba? So ayun lang, for the both of you, Merk and Rain, congratulations to these young parents to be. You are about to embark on an incredible journey filled with love, growth, and beautiful moments. Congratulations on your growing family. Wishing you endless love and joy as you prepare for your little one. Yes, we anxiously await with hearts full of love a sweet little miracle sent from above, and of course in your belly, Rain, a sweet little face, tiny hands and toes. And remember, whether it's a girl or a boy, as I was saying and I mentioned before to you, Rain, we will be full of joy. Many congrats to these new parents to be. Yan, madalas kong sabihin yan sa'yo. And syempre, a sweet little face, sabi ko nga, with tiny hands and toes. And remember, yun lang ang sinasabi ko, remember palagi. So ayan na, nag-open na. So ayan yung ganap namin, maingay pa kami dyan dahil nga excited na silang malaman ang gender talaga ni baby. So ayan, nagbukas na lahat, and hindi ko na para marinig nyo kung gaano ka-exciting ang ganap. So ayan, kailangan mo siyang i-flip yung para so ayan, may mga pictures sila dyan. So ayan, lahat sila pinag-open ko, but si Rain and si Merk isa lang ang in-open nila kasi dapat 15 yan but naging 14 lang kasi hindi na isama yung isa. So but it's okay kasi sobra naman yung sa alam nyo na, diba? Sasabihin ko naman kung ano yung gender. So yun, lahat sila tuwa. Nagkamot na ulo si John. Bakit? Ano ba ini-expect na itong batang ito? So makikita nyo dyan, ang saya-saya namin, and hindi ko na volume down, hindi ko na in-off yung volume. So ayun na yung pinaka-last, ayun na. So nalaman na, so binilang ko na yan, and it's a girl. Congratulations, my country. So as I was saying, wishing you a lifetime of happiness with your cutie patoti, Merc and Rain. Again, congratulations. Congrats sa inyo. So, yun lang, nakikita niyo pa yung after ng kaganapan at kainan na kainan na naman yan. So, ayun, nagkakantahan na. Nagkakantahan na kami, guys. So, ayun. Gusto ko rin mag-thank you sa lahat ng mga pumunta and sa mga nag-prepare. Sa lahat ng mga nag-prepare. Ayan, kay John. And tinulungan kami ng mga kasama namin. Ayan, classmate kayo si Eileen, si Ate Jinky, sa mga nagpuntang classmate namin. Si Yoland. Ayan, si Yoland. Kasabayan namin yan ng OJT. So, ayun. And, of course, ayun na. Thank you. And many things. Many things. Like, thank you so much for coming to Merc and Rain Gender Reveals Party. Guys. To all of our friends, classmates, and kasama nila Merc and Kuya niya JC and family, relatives, and most especially sa mga kasama namin dito sa bahay. And sa kuya niya dyan na nag-prepare ng lahat ng pagkain na niluto. Thank you so much for celebrating with us, y'all, as we wait on the arrival of our little bundle of joy. We truly appreciate it. Until on the next ganap sa buhay. Ganap sa buhay. Ganap sa bahay. Ayan, for Eileen. Sorry, na-interrupt na naman. Kasi anong oras na nag-voice over na naman ako. Anong oras na kasi 4:38 AM na. Natutulog na ang mister. Ayan. For Eileen and Ate Jinky. Thank you so much also for making it up sa gender reveal ng ating munting bunso. Thank you also for helping us to prepare. And since may alak era, cheers mga Marcy. We have to cheers for these two parents to be and for their upcoming bundle of girlish glee. The real fun begins. The real fun begins now. Wait lang. Medyo malayo-layo pa. So, message ko naman para sa, kasi maririnig nyo ang mga boses namin dyan. Kailangan ko iparinig sa inyo because yun na lang ang palatandaan nyo kung gaano ako kabuang kung gaano kami kakulit. Ayan, so sa tagal-tagal ng panahon talagang hindi tayo minom. Ayan ang kakulitan. So, hahabulin ko. So, hello baby, this is my message to you. Hello baby, Mommy Donna wants you to know that we love you more than words can say. You are our greatest blessing and our hearts most especially. Wait lang, eto na ata yun.
Dadaan si boss. Kung galing sa'yo yan, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Excuse me. Kuya!
Diba? Yan ang mga boses namin talaga. So, pinilit namin. Pero, Eileen, ang ganda ng boses mo. Ano tawag na? No bola. Yes. So, ikaw pa rin at ikaw ang aking tawag na to singing body. So ayun, proceed ulit tayo sa message ko kay baby. So ayun, hello baby, Mommy Donna wants you to know, baby anak, that we love you more than words can say. You are our greatest blessing and our hearts, well, most especially me. is full already. Well, boy or girl, sabi ko nga nun, you are already loved. And what's in the cake? Well, yes, yun yung nilagay ko sa cake, anak. Our hearts already knew. And now we have the words, I'll soon know who will be the star of our show. And my second is Tarira. Yes, we can wait to see you, our little patoti, our cutie patoti. So, ayan ang mga handa. Thank you so much, guys. And thank you at nakaraos, God. Thank you so much, God. Nakaraos din. So, ayan. Congratulations again, Rain and Merc. Belated happy birthday. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nakiselebrate sa amin. And na-appreciate namin yon. John, thank you so much sa pagpe-prep. Ayun, malaki ang ano ka naman. Malaki ang naitulong mo sa kapatid mo. So, ayan na, mga istariray din. Hindi nagtatalo. Kailangan nandyan din talaga sila. Oo. So, ayan, girls, mga Marcy, Ate Jinky, Eileen. So, susunod ulit. And, syempre, the star of the show, the Tres. Hindi yan Tres. Apat yan, guys. Apat yan. The ladies. Yes, the ladies of Cornales Char. So, ayan. Ayan, mga classmate ko yan. So, ayun lang. Merc and Rain, ha. So, eto, yung gender reveal idea na naisip ko. So, eto, napanood ko lang ata to. Kina Clarice. So, eto, yung ano, yan yun, yung i-flip mo yung picture, tapos pasusobrahan mo na lang kung ano talaga yung gender. Pasusobrahan mo yung picture. And this is it again. Congratulations again, Merc and Rain. Sana mahalin nyo ang baby. And huwag kayo masyadong naghahabol, huwag kayo masyadong nagmamadali. Magkakaroon kayo ng boy niyan. Tandaan nyo. First pa lang yan. Baka magkaroon kayo ng 10 hachar. So, eto na yung ultrasound niya. Pinakatatago-tago ko. Dapat i-frame ko yan. Pero susunod na. So, ayun lang. Thank you for watching. And again, congratulations. Happy birthday, Rain and Merc.